Hello and welcome to Hanwha Techwin WISE.Net Experience Center. I'm Jimmy and I'll be your guide for today. We're going to experience the latest technology of surveillance cameras, other products, and solutions. The center consists of 3 different zones: product, core technology, and solution. For the record, we also offer offline tour service, so if you guys are interested, please come and visit us. Okay, we'll begin the tour now. Hanwha Techwin started its journey in video surveillance industry in 1990, and it's dedicated to providing best surveillance solutions for customers for over 30 years. Hanwha Techwin had the biggest market share in the era of analog with its highest level of optical technology and video resolution. Then we've made a successful transition to the network era by developing in-house network SoCs. Now we are continuing our R&D efforts to get the lead in the era of AI. This is a product zone and it has 5 different sections, each representing unique product series made to address specific market needs. First thing you see here is P series. P stands for premium, and as you can refer from the name, it offers resolutions of 4K or even higher, and it even offers AI-based analytics. We have a number of multi-sensor product lineup. These products allow users to monitor larger areas without blind spots, making them suitable for the bank, casino, airport, and city surveillance verticals. This is the X series. X stands for excellent, and it is the key product series with our in-house developed SoC embedded in, like WISE.Net 3, 5, and 7. The newly launched PTZ Plus form factor reduces the weight and size by 64% compared to the conventional ones, making it easier to install, and it perfectly blends into any surrounding. This is the section for Q series. Q means quality, and it gives good quality at the reasonable price. This Q series is very popular in retail stores and schools. It has people counting and heat map feature. T means vertical. T series consists of specialized products fit for specific verticals. TNB 9000 here supports up to 8K, which is 32 megapixel of resolution. This TNM 306020 TDY is the thermal camera for body temperature detection, which is the most powerful solution to prevent the spread of COVID-19. All the products I've introduced so far are network products. HD Plus is the only analog product lineup we have. Nowadays, many projects require network solutions, but there are still many business opportunities with analog systems. Now we'll move on to the core technology zone, where you can meet our core technologies. Technologies you can experience here are all equipped in the WISE.Net 7 SoC. This is a place where you can learn about our in-house developed SoC history. We have launched WISE.Net 1 and 2 for the network market, but at that time, we were focusing more on analog products. For WISE.Net 3, we can say that we have successfully transformed ourselves into a network product and solution provider. WiseStream is a video data compression technology. Helps to compress the video data up to 99% compared to the regular codecs. So the customers could save money by not having to prepare large storage space or expensive network infrastructures. Extreme WDR. It's the technology which allows users to secure clear visibility of an object even in the strong backlighting conditions. Lens distortion correction is a technology to correct the images disturbed by using the wide-angle lenses. It makes images more closely resembles what is seen through human eyes. Advanced noise reduction technology. There are a lot of reasons causing the noises in video, but WISE.Net 7 using 2D and 3D noise reduction technologies and the scene analysis can suppress the noise and helps to deliver the clean image. WISE.Net Toolbox Plus is a system design tool supporting users to choose appropriate products and compare the products at intuitive interface and make report and quotation for the end users as well. In addition, it does support the field of view calculator, storage calculator, and bandwidth calculator too. WiseNet Mobile is another tool for camera and storage monitoring run on the mobile devices. It could display up to 16 channels, and by improving hardware decoding technology, it can quickly display video of up to 4K resolutions for a single channel. Auto tracking is technology of PTZ cameras to track an object of interest. It utilizes AI algorithm to automatically designate people or vehicles for object tracking. AI analytics. The latest WiseNet P-series cameras support AI analytics. It only detects and distinguishes meaningful objects such as person, face, vehicle, and license plates, then analyzes these and stores in the form of text known as metadata. Also, it extracts attributes of objects such as age, gender, glasses, and hat if there are any, colors of upper and lower clothes, and so on. Moreover, it takes the best shot and sends it to the backend, making it easy and efficient for forensic search application. Hanwha Techwin is continuously putting efforts on making the products reliable and durable. We have received a number of durability certificates such as IP66, IK10, NEMA 4X, and more for certain products. Audio detection is simply detecting the volume of sounds and triggers an event alarm when the volume exceeds the preset level. But sound classification is more sophisticated. It analyzes and categorizes the sounds into 4 different types: screaming, explosion, gunshot, and glass breaking. This is digital image stabilization. WiseNet 5 and later SoCs carry this gyro sensor just as our smartphones do. It helps producing the stabilized images at any unstable environment, such as on the moving vehicle. Mask detection solution to fight against the COVID-19. This solution is provided in the P-series AI cameras as one of the default camera analytics. It can detect a person who's not wearing or improperly wearing the face mask and sends out the preset audio alarm. Another COVID-19 solution is the occupancy monitoring application. To stop spreading of the COVID-19, many places control the number of visitors and the occupancy level. This OMA helps manage the people in the premises and control the number of visitors. As you can see, it counts the number of visitors, and when it exceeds the preset limit, then it shows a warning sign and stops the people from entering. As we are entering into an era of contactless, we are proud to introduce the ACO, one of the solutions of unmanned store platform. ACO is an image-based product recognition payment machine that automatically reads barcodes and even makes the payment as the products are carried on the conveyor belt. All customers have to do is simply placing the products on the conveyor belt. Retail Insight is a business intelligence solution for retail. It has heat map, queue management, people counting, floor flow tracking functions to provide insightful information to store owners. And when integrated with AI cameras, it could also offer agent general analytics, all in an intuitive dashboard. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed and got an idea of how to boost your business with us.